is now 1:43. Charlotte woke up shortly after that, but I did get my goals ready to go. I got everything all measured, everybody talked to. Now I got everything, all my vinyl laid out on my desk, and I'm gonna start cutting it. I got my cups all ready to go. I have everything set up to do my bling video soon. I might wait till Charlotte takes her second nap to start that video, but I got everything all set up ready to go. We'll have Kona ice here within the next 15 minutes to 2 hours and 15 minutes. I just have to keep an eye out on in our driveway. And I have to remember to tell my neighbor that he is here. But you know what? I'm finally getting stuff done. And I like it. A lot of you guys, I just posted my Dollar Tree, you know, coupon binder thing. I made it because I needed something. I mean, if you guys watch it, I kind of made it. It's perfect for what I need. Graham's like, it's a little too wide, but for what I need it for when I do my couponing, this is perfect for me because I have room for all my coupons. I have rooms for coupons that I have used and haven't used yet, because I put them in a pile as I am using them, or as I have the items in my cart, because then when I know I have everything and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to go back and get that. And then I have it where I can put my camera on my thing, my phone, I got room for a pen, so it's just, it helps me out with so much. But I love it. Yeah, it's kind of big, but you know what? If it helps me get more organized and easier, then I'm gonna do it. But yeah, we're watching Peter Rabbit right now. Benjamin's chilling, and I'm gonna get everything all cut up, and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. It is, what is it, 2:03 on the dot, so we're waiting when the truck will come. It's finally coming in our driveway for once, so I'll probably record. I'll probably put the little tripod up and see when he shows up. And it's starting to sprinkle, which is totally fine with us, as long as it's like not downpouring. Otherwise I have to get the umbrella. But I wanted to share with you guys, Charlotte, don't touch that. She's touching my vinyl I just cut. Charlotte, don't touch that. Sorry you guys, Charlotte just like grabbed all the vinyl that I'm trying to cut, and I can't have it all fingerprints because that's all she has is fingerprints. But I wanted to share with you guys, we got 2 of our books that we've ordered from Kellogg's. I ordered these like a week ago already, maybe 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. But we got the crayons book of colors, and we got Duck and Goose, which is actually a pretty good series. So these are books that we got. We still have more on the way, and I'm pretty excited. So Ben just saw the Kona truck outside, so I'm gonna start setting up. I don't know if he went to another house or he passed our house like everybody else does, but we're gonna go get some Kona ice. Hey you guys, so it is 6:32. I finally got done with everybody's cups, you guys. Like, I'm finally caught up on everybody's cups. Now I'm just finishing a jeweled cup for somebody, but I am finally done and caught up. I have one more to make, but I need to figure out how to do that, but that person knows about it. And so if you guys are Facebook friends with me on my Facebook page, not my Deals by Designer, but my personal name, there's this lady, I think it was a lady, she commented on my Walgreens video saying that I'm very unprofessional, that I film my videos in my car. And you know, and I said, you know, or she says that I need to do more in-store deals, or, you know, bring more deals. And I'm like, I bring as many deals as I can. I buy more stuff than what I truly need because I show people deals. And then I do the Walgreens, you know, digital video because there's even more deals. Or, you know, if it's a good deal and I don't have a coupon for it, I still mention it. You know, I do as many deals as I can, you know. And there's sometimes where I might miss a deal, but it happens, you know. That's why there's tons of us out there doing YouTube videos. And so, like, I comment back and I'm like, you know, it's my channel. I can do whatever I want. She obviously doesn't watch my vlogs, that I have children, and that's the reason why I film in my car, because I'm a person who, I film in my car because I sometimes notice that I make mistakes. So I'm so close to the store, I can go back and return stuff. In the past, I've had to wait until I go back. So, like, that's one reason why I like doing my stuff in the car. plus I have everything there, and then when I come home I can just put everything away and it doesn't sit at my desk like it does in the past. There will be times where I do my videos at the house, but I'm a person who just likes to film it right away, because then when I get home I can upload it right away. And yes, I do put a lot of work, like this person, you know, it's like, it's my channel, I can do whatever I want, but like not many people realize that, and most of you guys know this because you guys were commenting today, like, this service is free for me to give you guys deals. You know, I do all the work. I spend hours and hours and hours just to do a 10-minute video. And you know, that's why I'm happy that you guys watch the video. You know, I get paid for that. I don't get paid much. You got garbage out of my garbage? But like, I don't get paid much, but you know, I get something. I mean, from when before this whole pandemic started, I was making, you know, enough where I don't have to work. And now it's like I'm barely making anything, but Graham, you know, has a better position than what he was. But, you know, that's why I've been really doing my cups, because it's my addiction, and it helps me, you know, get some money, you know, in, because I do buy some stuff. But, you know, it's cut back drastically, and I still want to do more with Ibotta, but Ibotta's just been a pain in my butt lately. I don't order coupons anymore, just because I don't want to. I've been mostly relying on digitals and stuff, but I probably will start doing Ibotta Walmart hauls in July, but it won't do anything to my channel because I know half the people out there are not even couponing yet. And that's fine. If people don't want to coupon, that's fine, because a lot of us already have stockpiles, so that's why we don't need to coupon. But I still coupon just to share with people everything that I got, and I got rid of 98% of my stockpile anyways. So I'm starting fresh all over again, but I do keep about, you know, I do keep several items that I personally use. If you guys saw my organization of my bathroom, I have that completely filled to the brim with all the shampoo that I want to use. Everything that I personally use, I keep up there. And then, you know, all of our laundry detergent and cleaning supplies are all downstairs with my stockpile. So it's like, that's what I do. I'm still trying to work on the basement, you guys, but just right now I'm just kind of But I probably will work on it either Thursday or Friday with my friend. My battery's about to die. My battery died on me yesterday. These batteries are starting to suck. But it's just like, you know, I do a lot of work, and a lot of you guys, you know, realize that, and thank you very much. But like this person, it's like, really. And then one of you guys mentioned that, you know, that same person made a comment. So I'm trying to think if it's just a person who wants to start some beef, because I looked at their YouTube channel and there's nothing there. It doesn't usually, there's like no likes, no nothing, and usually that's like a robot. So either it's a robot, or it's a person who has zero life, or it's Jen's biggest hater or Jen's biggest fan. Yeah, that kid, who was a kid. I can actually mention now that when I made a video of Jen's biggest hater, it was a little boy who had 3 different channels, and I ended up putting pieces together and figured out who it was. It was some little boy, so I'm assuming either his parents, his mom or dad watches my channel. I don't know, but it was just funny. But I haven't seen him comment on a while. But that's what's going on, you guys. Like, it's funny, but I emptied the dishwasher, the kids are fed, I keep forgetting to eat. Like, that's one thing I like about doing the cups, and I like, you know, doing the jewels, is my mom even mentions, because you're not binge eating. I can still watch TV while I'm couponing or doing that, but I'm not binge eating, and that's awesome. But I've been really trying to, you know, thin out. I haven't lost the weight that I wanted to yet, but I have been losing the body fat. So like, my belly has gone down a little bit. I'm gonna start hula hooping some more, you know, and I just haven't been wanting to walk lately. It's just because, I don't know. But I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I'm gonna start working on my jeweled cup, which I did start the video for you guys. It's raining outside, and I didn't want to spray paint outside, but I might do it in a little bit since it's not super sunny out. We will see, but I'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Hello, you guys. My one freaking hair is just driving me nuts, but I think it's getting long enough. Yeah. So it is currently 9:12. I did try putting Charlotte to bed an hour ago. She was showing really signs of tiredness, but she just wasn't going to sleep, so I had her come back downstairs with me. I finished everybody's cups. I'm so excited. I did this cup. I have like my own confetti cup that I use, and I did like a rainbow the other day. Miss Charlotte loves the water. And then she spits it out after she sucks it. And it just goes right down my top because that's what we do. But Graham should be home any minute now. You guys, like, yay. Yay. So I just went and bought myself a PVC cutter because the way I want Graham to cut my PVC pipe, it's gonna take forever. And I need little tiny little pieces and I don't want to get my fingers sawed off. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get myself an own PVC cutter so I can work on that crap. And then I'm actually thinking of making a PVC fort. Like, when I was a kid, I had this little mermaid tent that was made with little PVC pipes, and then it came with like a little mermaid plastic like tent cover, which I don't care about that because we can just use blankets and like clips and everything. But I'm thinking of making a PVC like little tent or something. I think it'd be kind of cool because Ben is obsessed with forts. It's something that we could always put together, and then if we're bored we could just, you know, take it down and it's just right there. It fits like in a little bag or something. So I'm pretty excited to possibly do that. I gotta figure out the prices and everything, but if I do, I'm definitely gonna make a video. I just love PVC. I know, it's weird. Well, because I used to work in a hardware store, so it sucks that I don't work there now because of because otherwise I can't get everything I want, but I still might go sometime, you know, maybe in the next week or so. I just want to do all these DIYs like crazy. Mom! What? Mom? Come here. Mom! Can you say hi? Say hi! Can you say hi? So you guys, I did work on this cup like crazy. There's nothing more I can do yet until I get my fillers. Like, I could work around it some more, but I feel like I got it, you know. It's looking good, you guys. So, I mean, right here it's like just shiny. Shiny! Yes. So, we got that going on. I'm also going to start working on my mom's cup, which I'm doing the DIY video for. You're just a silly baby girl. She's mad because she can't see herself. Okay, so that is what's going on for the night. I feel like I had a successful day. I got a laugh out of the one person who made a stupid comment, which is probably a robot or just a person who has no life. But thank you guys for the clipboard comments. It's something that's so useful. But I will catch you guys all bright and early tomorrow with more stuff to get done. See you guys all later. Bye-bye.